I'm James Peters, Product Manager here at Nureva. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up an external microphone for adaptive voice amplification with the HDL310 and HDL410 with the new tuning controls available in Release 2.3. Other feature improvements have also been made available in this device update issued in May 2025. Adaptive voice amplification is an important feature for the HDL310 and HDL410 that supports a connected external microphone. When using the external microphone, the instructor's voice is amplified through the HDL310 or HDL410 speakers to in-room and remote participants when in a UC&C call. With software release 2.3, we have expanded the list of tested and supported third-party microphones. Visit our support site to see a complete list of supported wireless microphone types, including headset, lavalier, and handheld. With the new tuning tools, you'll be able to set up your external microphone for adaptive voice amplification quickly and easily. Here's what you'll do. To set up adaptive voice amplification, first you'll need to set up your external microphone. If you are using a wireless microphone system, switch it on, starting with the transmitter and then the receiver. Make sure the group and channel are properly set and that you're not sharing frequencies with nearby devices. Next, connect the XLR end of the cable to the receiver and the 3.5mm end to the aux-in port on the HDL310 or HDL410 Systems Connect module. Then, go to the Nureva app and ensure your HDL310 or HDL410 system is updated to Release 2.3 or later. Once the Nureva system is updated to Release 2.3 or later, go to Devices, click on the Add Device button and choose External Microphone. Remember to have your external microphone already connected to the aux-in port of the Connect module, or you will not be able to enable adaptive voice amplification. The aux-in level is set to line level by default, which we recommend leaving as it is for now, unless you are unable to get a good signal coming out of the Nureva system regardless of how much you increase the gain on the microphone. When it comes to tuning, start with the in-room system's volume at a typical level. Around 80% is recommended. If you need more speaker output in the room, you can enable Dynamic Boost. This can increase speaker volume by up to 10 decibels and also improve speech intelligibility. Do note that Dynamic Boost does not affect the output level for remote listeners. When you are tuning the room, make sure microphone ducking is turned on. Microphone ducking prevents the headset microphone from picking up audio signals other than the presenter's voice. You can enable it in the adaptive voice amplification settings. Adjust the gain on both the transmitter and the receiver of your microphone system until the voice is comfortably audible in the room. There is a limit to the amount of amplification that can be used before getting feedback, which you can determine by talking into the microphone in and around the area that it is intended to be used. If you experience feedback, lower the microphone gain and compensate that by increasing the in-room gain using the slider under Adaptive Voice Amplification in the Nureva app. Next, let's adjust the gate settings. The gate settings determines what sound will pass through the mic to the Nureva system for amplification, and it controls when ducking of the HDL microphones happens. It is important to set this appropriately. Using the live ambient level meter, make sure you set the gate threshold while no one is talking to get an accurate ambient reading. Start by setting the gate threshold to 64. Then, increase it to about 20 points above that level. If you find that nearby conversations a meter or two away are still triggering the gate, have someone speak at that distance to help you fine-tune the setting. If the presenter's voice sounds choppy or cuts in and out, try lowering the gate threshold slightly. To check the remote audio quality, join a Zoom or Teams call. Start with the far end gain set at 0 decibels. If the person on the far end says you're too quiet, adjust the far end level in the adaptive voice amplification settings first before adjusting the microphone gain if needed. Do note that if you adjust the microphone gain, you will need to go back to the gate settings to readjust. Once you are able to confirm that both the in-room and far end levels are good, you're done. This video outlined the configuration steps for the Shure QLX4 with a lavalier wireless microphone as an example. These configuration settings may vary depending on the type of third-party microphone that you are using. Visit our support site for a full list of supported microphones as well as our recommended baseline settings for each one, which you can then tweak to suit your room and desired usage scenario. And as always, remember to subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching.